How to multiply mixed numbers. So, to multiply mixed numbers easily, we have to go through these three steps. First, we have to change mixed number to improper fraction. Look, this is a mixed number, this is a mixed number. So, we need to change this mixed number to improper fraction. Improper fraction means where numerator is greater than denominator. So, to change this mixed number to improper fraction, we have to draw a C clockwise. We have to multiply, then add. So let us do that. 2 times 3 plus 1 divided by same denominator 2 times, here we have to draw a C multiplication plus, that is 3 times 1 plus 2. We have to take the same denominator 3. Now calculate. 2 times 3, 6 plus 1 divided by 2, 3 plus 2 divided by 3. So we are getting here 7 over 2 times 5 over 3. In the second step, we have to multiply the fraction. This is a fraction, this is a fraction, but this is an improper fraction. Look here, numerator is greater than denominator. So to multiply fraction, what we know, we have to multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. So 7 times 5 divided by 2 times 3. So we are getting here 35 divided by 6. So actually this is the answer, but we'll convert our answer to the mixed number. So there is no common factor between these two numbers. So simplify the fraction. So this is the simplified fraction, but we'll convert this fraction to a mixed number. So how to do that? So we have to divide this, we have to apply long division method, right? We have to divide this 35 by 6. 6 goes into 35 how many times? So 5 times. 5 times 6, 30. Then here we have, if you deduct, then 5. So 5 is the remainder, and here 5 is the whole number. So here whole number 5, then we have to take remainder as the numerator and divisor as the denominator. So 35 by 6 or 5 and 5 over 6 is the answer. So let us take another example. This is a mixed number, this is a mixed number. So how to multiply? So at first we have to convert this mixed number to improper fraction, right? So multiply plus, so 3 times 1 plus 2, and we have to take the same denominator. Same thing for this, 4 times 2 plus 3 divided by 4. So look, we are getting here 3 plus 2 by 3 times 8 plus 3 divided by 4. So we are getting here 5 over 3, 11 over 4. So 55, 5 times 11, that is like this, top to top, 5 times 11 divided by 3 times 4. So we are getting here 55 divided by 3 times 4, 12, right? So to convert this answer to the mixed number, what will do? We'll divide this 55 by 12, right? Look, we need the multiplication table. 12 times 1, that gives us 12. 12 times 2, that gives us 24, that is 24. Just you have to add 12 with this 12. Then 12 times 3, what will happen? 36. Just you have to add 12 with this 24. 12 times 4, that gives us, so just add 12, right? What will happen? 8, 4, 48, right? 12 times 4, 48. So 4, 12 goes into 55, 4 times 12, that 48. So if you subtract, then what will happen? 48 to 55, that is 7, right? 7. So this is the whole number and this is the remainder. So we can express this improper fraction as mixed number like this. We have to take the quotient or whole number, then we have to take the remainder 7, then we have to take the divisor, that is same denominator, right? So this is the mixed number. So thus you can multiply mixed numbers.